Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add variants in Shopify, and I'm going to make sure this tutorial will be simple and quick for you. And don't forget to hit the like button if you watch till then my video and if you think the video will be helpful for you. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see this is our Shopify store and we already completed our setup, and you can see this is our product. So now I am going to add variant in this product. So for that reason I need to be click on product, and I have an existing product here. Just click over here. Once I click over here, you can see you need to be scroll down and you will find out variant option. So here you can see we already have color variant. We have this two color. If you want to add another option here, just click over here and you can choose anything from that place, or you can add create custom option. Just I'm going to create option and I will give option name. The option will be like something option. Here you can add anything, 1 2, value will be 25 30, and now I'm going to make sure the done and just click here save. The process is really simple. Just after the completion of save, you can view it. Just go over here and click on store again, and let's visit the product page, and eventually you can see we did not get anything yet here. So I need to add something that is like relevant with the option. So here I will go over that place and click on color. I'm going to add some other color like blue, brown, clear, gold, and now I'm going to click on done. Once I click over here, I need to be click on set product. It will take a while, and then we can visit our shop store, and product set has been done. Just click over, and now you can see we already had added some variant option. So you need to be add relevant thing on here, then you can able or allow to see on your this page. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.